name is Glyn Webb. I work for Selwood and I am a solutions manager. The pumping system that's behind us has been designed and installed for the client to enable preliminary work for extra storm capacity. The reason the client's looking to do this is to reduce the actual amount of spills that go out to the creeks and to the watercourses. This particular system is 540 metres long and does 1,000 litres a second. The kit that we've utilised are submersible pumps that are in a vertical position and placed within the media. That's coupled with ultrasonic level control, MCC VSD units, which are able to ramp the pumps up and down. That's all brought together as a control system to deliver the 1,000 litres. We have 4 pumps in a duty assist in a standby, as the flows aren't always needed to be 1,000 litres a second. That allows us to step up and give as much or as little as needed at any given time. To plan a project like this, we would do a site survey, understand all the requirements from the customer, agree with the customer routes and how we're going to achieve it, and then finally we would then do all the calculations, put a full plan together, do a drawing and then a schedule for delivery.
My name is David Bunce and I'm a Building Information Modelling Manager for Selwood, often referred to as a BIM Manager. My role as BIM Manager for Selwood is organising and designing sites in a 3D model. Thereby we can show the work that we intend to carry out to all stakeholders before the work commences. For this project in Bud's Farm, I surveyed the site myself with my colleague Rao. We walked the entire site from one end to the other using a total station to plot the ground and any other obstacles. When we return back to the office with all the information we need from the site, we produce a 3D model. And with this model we can lay the pipework and install the pumps and ancillary equipment as you would in real life. For this particular project, it was really advantageous to use 3D modelling because the route was very complex, the topography was very complex, and the pipework was 600mm steel flange pipes, which is very unforgiving. So to be able to build it again and again in 3D modelling before the real install is a fantastic advantage.
So this particular system, because it's not being used all of the time, some of the technology that's being used is new hybrid technology for power generation. The hybrid system is a generator system that has a battery pack that the generator charges the battery pack from time to time, and then the generators only need to run when they're required. Level control is driven by the battery pack itself, which enables the generators to stay turned off the majority of the time. I think one of the main advantages of having a hybrid system is that because the pumps don't run often, the generators don't need to run very often, that makes a huge saving in costs and for the environment.
At this particular project at Bud's Farm, the 3D modelling enabled us to carry out the install on time and on budget.
I think Selwood are very good at dealing with this sort of project because we have very talented individuals, a really good design team, and we have pipe work and pumps that a lot of other companies don't necessarily stock.